we are going to learn how to automate responses on Facebook page. For this tutorial, I will use this page to make those kinds of tricks. Now, assuming that you have your Facebook page opened, whatever it is, especially for business, you can start by clicking on this button here. So this is settings, click it, and then go for messaging and go to setup for during a messenger conversation. Set up automated responses. This is to customize responses that are automatically sent to the people in an automated responses tab in inbox. So click that. Then it opens. Okay, so here are different options you can choose from. Automated responses when you are away. The word says it itself. And then to share info about your page, to respond to feedback, to communicate about jobs for applications, and then communicate about appointments. So these are reminders and follow-up messages. Okay, so here you have we're going to touch this part. So usually for business pages, facts or frequently asked questions are commonly used, and you won't have so much time to respond to it because it's not at all times that you're facing the computer or holding onto your mobile phone. So let's touch it here to see the options that you can work on. Now you can see here frequently asked questions is turned on, and then here you can suggest questions for people on what they can ask on your page. Then you're to set automated responses to each of those questions. As you can see here, I've already made a few examples. For example, what are your food packages, because this is a food business? What is your menu? What is your minimum order for delivery? What is the time? What time is your delivery service available? So if you would like to add more to that, here are the options that you can deal with. So here is question number 1. You can make an automated response. Thank you for reaching out, whatever it is that you can make or you would like to say to the customers. For this one, thank you for reaching out, and blah blah blah. Now next, you can add a personalization. This is an option, so you can choose from all of this. You can use this: first name, last name, full name of recipient, Facebook page link, phone number, email address, or address. So it literally means just the same, exactly. Now if you would click on that, you will see what happens there. So it automatically shows, or it automatically provides the information. So assuming that it has all been done, there is the next option. If you would like to have an attachment image, to make things easier to explain, and there will be no more texts required. Images are good for the eyes, so it's a better idea. Now it goes the same for all of the options until the last question. You can also add a button, by the way, for a call to action, but it's all up to you. that would be all, and then save it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.